Okay, today we are going to perform a practical online NAND gate using CMOS। तो उसके लिए आपको www.online जो लैब है vlab virtuallab.co.in साइट ओपन किया। उसके बाद जो डिफरेंट आपकी लैब्स हैं, IIT हैदराबाद पर क्लिक किया एंड देन VLSI lab, list of experiment. Now here are many experiments. Yesterday we discussed systematic design of transistor level inverter. Today we are going to design transistor level NAND and NOR gate. So click on this NAND gate. We all are familiar about NAND gate. Here this is the truth table of NAND gate. When two input NAND gate, when both input are 0, output 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. So you can see from here, this is just opposite of AND gate. This is the introduction of both gate, NAND gate and NOR gate. Here the truth table of NOR gate 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 0. This truth table is opposite to OR gate. So if we have OR gate or NAND gate and we connect a NOT gate in series, we get NAND gate and NOR gate. This bubble indicate the NOT gate. Next, objective of the practical: to design a two-input NAND gate using two NMOS and two PMOS. Similarly, to design two-input NOR gate using two NMOS and two PMOS. Theory: how it is working, you can read here. Procedure: component required NAND gate के लिए 2 PMOS, 2 NMOS, ground, VDD, 2 input pins, 1 output pin, और इनका कनेक्शन आपको करना कैसे ये इसमें सब समझाया गया है। उसके बाद हम चलेंगे सिमुलेटर एक्सपेरिमेंट। नेट स्लो है, तो ये आपका बोर्ड इस तरह से बोर्ड आ जाएगा। यहाँ पर आप देख लेफ्ट कॉर्नर में यू कैन सी पीमोस, एनमोस, ग्राउंड, कैपेसिटेंस, वायर, supply drain, supply positive, VDD, input output and other components. So as we seen or read here in procedure, we need two PMOS, two NMOS, ground, VDD, two input pins and one output pins. So first click on PMOS and click here on the board. One PMOS, then second PMOS. Okay. Two NMOS, first and second. You need ground, VDD, two input, one output. Okay, so all the components are placed on the board. Now we have to see what we have to do. Connect the two PMOS in parallel. So हमको जो PMOS है उनको पैरेलल में कनेक्ट करना है, मतलब सोर्स एंड ड्रेन ऑफ बोथ शुड बी कनेक्टेड. The parallel combination is then placed between VDD and output node. Okay. नेक्स्ट है कनेक्ट द टू NMOS इन सीरीज. जो NMOS है उनको सीरीज में कनेक्ट करना. That is the source of one gets connected to the drain of others. The series connection is then placed between output node and ground. So जो PMOS का पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन है वो VDD और आउटपुट नोड के बीच में रखा जाना है, और जो NMOS का सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन है वो ग्राउंड और जो आपका आउटपुट नोड है उसके बीच में रखा जाना है. Now one of the input node is connected between one pair of NMOS and PMOS, and other input node between the other pair of NMOS and PMOS. Connect a capacitance between output node and the ground. Okay, let us make this connection. So first you have to make a parallel combination of these PMOS. For this we click on wire and connect source to source. Again click on wire, source or drain water, then to drain. Now we have to make parallel series combination of these two NMOS. Okay, wire, source of one and drain of second. This is the series combination. Okay, we also need one capacitance here which we have to connect between output node and ground. You can rotate any component by clicking on that and click on rotate like this. Okay, rotate. Now connect VDD on parallel combination by clicking. So the output node should be placed between parallel combination of PMOS and series combination of NMOS. So we okay. Also one capacitor placed between output node and ground. Now one input is apply on pair of NMOS and PMOS and other is another pair. So we have to combine gate of these PMOS like that, clicking on red point, and then here similarly these two. like this. Now input 1 and input 2. One input is connected between one pair and input is connected between second pair. Okay, now we had made the connection. Press button simulate. After pressing, you can see the output and input of this combination. This is first input voltage 2, this is input voltage 1, and here it is output. So you can